Hi everybody, my name is Jair Alexander Chamorro and in this occasion I show you the sounds of the different consonants in English. Let's go. P, peace. All the world wants live in peace. Free. I still don't feel free. This. I like these shoes. T, three. The tree in the garden. S, see. I can see it in your eyes. Sh, ship. Dolly was a special ship. Ch, chain. The chain of love. K, keep. Keep your distance. B, bottle. Give me one more bottle, please. B, video. I love the video of your birthday. Th, your mother is very funny. Th, they. Isn't my best friend. They. Z, zoo. I think that the zoo is an interesting place. Z, television. You need to see less television. J, jeans. Can you buy me some new jeans? G, girl. Isabel is my little girl. Mm, mouth. I can still feel the taste in my mouth. Mm, now. You can do it right now. Hmm, think. What thing are you saying? Hope. I hope that you are fine. Oh, work. My work is fantastic. L, love. I love your shoes. R, run. My dogs run free by the countryside. You, you, you are my best friend. Thank you.